Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Cesar Chavez Elementary School in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District and home of the champions, outside their main office right here. But had a series of assemblies again for the students, as well as one for the parents throughout the day today. This is my second visit to their campus, and it was just a beautiful day. Obviously, the sun is shining outside, so that's awesome. But it was also shining in our hearts too, right? We built on my previous topic when I talked about bullying, look at the heart first, and we took it up a level talking about diversity today, and really the need for human kindness, which is on my shirt right here. My friend and I, we designed this a couple years back. You see the peace sign inside the heart where peace has to begin. There's also two people inside the heart, because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves, we have to show it to others as well, right? It's so important that we do that, because any kind action or word, it's never lost. It might not even just affect the person that we show it to or say it to, but anybody that's in earshot or eyesight of that kind deed or hearing that kind word, it might change their heart in a positive way too, and potentially forever, right? So we know we have to really appreciate diversity in its fullest, and this means our differences. They could be on the outside, how someone's born, how they walk, talk, see, hear, learn, their skin color, the foods they eat, the clothes they wear, the languages that they speak. We have to definitely appreciate all of that, but also what's on the inside too, right? Our talents, our gifts, our skills, our abilities, right? And the more that we do that, the more that we can have that not only self-respect, but respect for everyone around us. We start to make this world a lot kinder place and a lot brighter place. And I always say, just one act of kindness can change so many things, right? And that means we have to also show unconditional love. That's love without any conditions. If somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinnier, if they wear glasses or don't, if they're disabled or not, whatever the difference is, we can look at that not as a way to separate us, but as an opportunity to unite us, right? And the students really got that, right? There's a lot of pin drop moments throughout the student programs. The parent session tonight, though, was focused on positivity, being our best self. And that was more of a kind of a push to hammer home the lesson that we also have to be kind to our mind, right? Whatever you tell your brain and your heart is going to believe, we want to make sure that we're telling it something positive, right? To get rid of the negativity, the negative beliefs, the negative doubts or thoughts that we have about ourselves, and start to step into our full potential. And regardless of whatever talk that I give, I always bring up this concept too, that we are all true, beautiful miracles, that we see this in ourselves, know our power, know our worth. All of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. That M stands for miracle, upside down, W's for worthy, right? That once we understand that, truly believe it, we can go be that light to someone else's heart too. Help them hopefully see that as well. It's so important that we do that. It's so important that despite the negative situations that come in our life that we're going through right now, or will go through, or have gone through, that there are opportunities to make us stronger, right? That we always keep our head up, that we keep pushing. We know the opposite of success is not failure. It's quitting or giving up, right? If we fail, it doesn't make us a failure. If we make a mistake, it doesn't make us a mistake, right? It's part of growing, it's part of learning, and we do that through different challenges that we face, of course, but also we grow too by the relationships that we form with each other, right? The friendships that might last forever, right? Our true education comes from not only the books and everything else that we encounter in our life, right? The knowledge, but also the people in our life too, right? We have to make sure that we're learning from them, from their experiences, and really, again, respecting all walks of life. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day back at Cesar Chavez. Hope to be back again in the future. And until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. Also, make sure to subscribe button to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.